Welcome to Multi-Net Design. In the continuation of our Lekki style 5-bedroom executive design we were preparing so far. So when you look at, we have created ground floor plan in this. So if you want to see the way we did it, so you start from, go to our page and see the Lekki style. You see the pattern in which we have followed, or you can check playlist and see what you have done so far. So this is the fourth floor plan with staircase and every other design we were able to make. So the roof plan and so on and so forth are here. So we have already started the site activities. So we want to develop this swimming pool using the technique. So what we want to do first is that we want to use massing and site to create a topos surface. So the topos surface is a landmass in which the whole site is. You know, when you look at this from here now, we don't have all this, is just floating on a normal level. So we want to have a ground where this thing stays. So we click on here, so click on topo surface. So when the foundation land is minus the whole land of foundation where the whole thing starts from -1000. So you type -1000 from here. So that is the pure ground for where the whole building starts from, and you drop it around this four corner. So you click finish. When you click finish, now you go and see what you have created, and this is the landmass you created. So when you click here now, that is it for this. I did the elevation and check all the marks, then you see that it's at the -1000, and all these sides are what at the -1000. So if you click here now, if you want to change it and say maybe you want it to slant a bit, you are going to see the effect on this one. So just click like 10,000 here. So when you look at it it has broken. So it look like now it's slopey. So I'm going to explain this detail maybe later in some other design for you to understand. So follow us through on every level of project video. So we come to this point now. As we have this now, we want to create hole in this. Cannot create hole in this with ordinary something. So we are going to go to that place and start a property studio. So click finish. Then from here we use what building part, and the building part will be the one that will create this pool for us at this point. So you click here and say finish. So when you click finish, you go to 3D and go and see what you have created. Look at it. This is what we created in this place. So this is the building part that we have. So edit it, and I can create, say edit this, and we have it at the thickness of 2000, which is okay. So I want it to a little bit sink inside again so that I will be seeing it. So I'm saying that minus 100. Let's see. So it goes down a bit. So the pad is now below the surface of the earth, going down the lane. So that is one. Now we want to create a tight side for that swimming pool. So what we do is I use architecture, and I'm going to use just create a model in place and say placement. So we start that property. So from here what we do is I will create extrusion, then we create this. So for we do that, then we Ctrl Z to remove that. So say offset. From the offset, just say -100. Sure, good. So here now you just use 100 again. Good. So this is what we create here. So you click finish, go to 3D and go and adjust this. So you adjust this one and pull it down to cover the whole water space. Good. So that is it. So we have created this one. You can edit the material and put the material that you know that is suitable on that level. Edit, 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 edit. Be quick. So the material category, now you are going to choose some working on it. So like I've said, if you are the one that's working on category and material, just choose any of these and say duplicate. So the graphics appearance, you must check it so that by the time you are doing it in a graphics ability, you're going to see the appearance by yourself. So update it here. After you do the updating, go to appearance library and select, let's say, finish or ceiling. Just let me select anyone that's suitable. So I want this one particular square meter mosaic, so I'm using it for that particular place. So good. So as I've done with this one now, it is not over, so I'm going to use the same extrusion. So go to the floor plan, foundation. So you go to this place and say copy this. So I say copy, then press 1. So that is it. So edit its extrusion now. Just delete the whole external aspect, or delete everything here, and you select new one. So let it cover the ground floor. So as you have done that one now, so you go to your 3D, say finish, then you drag this down. So you measure until this level is met. So now you cover the water below. So we are done with that as this one. So what next we need to do is to do the stepping into the water. So how do we do that? Go to foundation again and get yourself a let's say grid line. Click on grid line, then from here you select and bring it down. It's not visible because I'm hiding them, so click here and make them visible. So at the visibility level, create it and call it midline 6. So know the name of what you are doing with it. So as you are done with that, now you can now create another temporary section to work with that, so that this will be flowing together. So go to view. So this is where you are, and you start the process of stepping down into the pool. So what we do is that you click here and say model in place, components, model in place. So here you click, I want to use a railing system. So I'm clicking here, I'm using sweep to work that out. So click sketch, and then you select the line 6, and that is it. So from here now you start the stand out from here. Let it be below, and it's as tall as 1003. So like that. So take it and sink it inside the point. So now you can escape, click escape. No, it's too sharp, I don't want this. So we design it. Good, this one will be okay. So escape and delete this one as well. So as you have it now, you can click finish, then go to profile, come to foundation. Good. So yeah, this is where you are. So click here and say, then type 25 mm. It's too small, so you click again. This time around, make it like the way it is. So you can select it and change it 25. It will go this time around. So finish it and finish it again. So here you can close this up, finish, close it. I don't want it. So this is it. So it's there already. Can you imagine? So what we do here is has already exceed what it's supposed to be. So what we do is to edit it again, or we shift it a bit inside so that we can adjust the inside one within. So edit it, edit the sweep, and edit the parts. So go to section 3. So from the section 3 you can now adjust this one. Okay, so you can pin this. So trim it and delete what is not necessary. Thanks. So as you have done with that, now you can now copy, go to 3D and see the way it goes down inside. Good. So you come to foundation level, then you say copy, or yes, copy it here. you're still in the sketch mode, so like 800 will do. So from there you can now use this one and then start putting the parts to with the whole thing with steps. So here now I want to create the steps from here down. So am I going to do that? I'm still using what I'm going to use extrusion this time around. Let's say grid line 6 again. So from there you start doing what you need to do. From there you can see down here, just use rectangle straight. Good. If step foot, but it's going to be like 200. Yeah, remove it. So from here now you can as well be bringing it step by step. So copy, like 300. Good. So from here now you start putting this one, copy from this edge to this edge to this edge to this edge, this edge to this edge, to your, so you'll be able to read the last on the floor. So sorry. So that's what you do. You go to 3D and go and see, then you adjust this one to suit the, no, sorry, complete to set. You can click here, no foundation. It's not showing. Okay, let's select. This is what we have. This guy. So select it. So move this one in. Good. So that's the step down. So everything now you can pick them up and change here. Select. Ctrl C, duplicates, graphics, appearance, and then use appearance library. So just use aluminium, this particular one. So I'm using that. I say okay, upload, and I have it in my space. So click finish. So I'm going to use check on my topo surface. Everything I've done here. So that is the water creativity that I've done. So now let me work on the site a bit. So here now I want to expand this to accommodate some things. So I'm clicking here now, move it like 1002. Good. So I'm going to do that. I'm doing this to this one side too. Move it, makes 900. Good. So select, edit. So from here, take this one, move it up again, drop it here. Select this one, move it up again, just drop it here. So finish it, then work on every one of them. Beautiful. So you work like that. Good. So you do this thing and then close it, the final one down. So that is what you do on this level for now. You can do the same thing here. Good. So this is done. So click here and say floor plan and ground and floor, just slab. So foundation is okay, and then you start the normal. So you create this one here, that the floor area that is going to stay. then you put this here, 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 and close it. So you are done with this. So do the same thing here. Control Z. The same thing here, 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 here. So you put it and you close. Then you trim it, trim it, trim it, trim it. So on this one, because of when you are doing this section, you are going to cut this out. We don't need it. So you click finish. So what is the issue? Say line cannot intersect each other. Continue. So what we do is to break this one, split it, then finish. So that is it. Now check it on the 3D and see what you've created. This is what you have created. Select it and change this to type 10 on it. So it's now up. Edit it again because you have issue with the pool that we've created. So edit. So go to foundation and then remove this entire floor on that area. So click finish. Say save. Then come to 3D and see what you've done. So that is it. So we are able to create this one now. So the next thing is to adjust the fencing. So probably for now we are just going to create a fencing. Just click here. Sorry, just say select artificial, then go to, I think, this particular one. No, the basic. Okay, this is the basic. So you are going to change the base height to 0 to the minus. Okay, when foundation just say 0. Then from here we use 2800, not 2005. Only the side of the fence for now. Then go here and do the same thing. And the last part we draw it down. Then let it have this halfway there. Come down here and then set up. So from here to here you can just click here. You can do the same thing here as well. So when you look at it from 3D now, the whole generation aspect is there. So what we do here is the elevation. We are not going to do anything from this gate for now, but I just want to reduce this. Then you click here and say reduce to like 1400 to take away certain things from there. So from here the same thing here, 1400. Sorry. So I'm going to design this and the elevation is going to be. So this is what we are able to do for today. And then the whole examine part of the building is now out. We are concentrating our efforts on the whole area. So in the next one we are going to detail the whole front elevation and adjust every other detail that necessary. This is the swimming pool that we have created today. So if you want to see the details of it, you can make a request on this particular model. After, if you need it, you can call for the model later. So thanks for watching. Subscribe to our channel and focus more on our next tutorial that we are going